play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am DACARDIA, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisper, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So in today's 5-minute video, I'm going to show you a simple hairstyle and it's going to take within 5 minutes. But first, before I get started, let's go ahead and detangle this mess. I already washed it, so let's get started.
They can't take it to 10.
I got hoes calling a young nigga phone. Where's I?